it's not so much about having to learn, right? You get this question, right? Often you said, why should I do LinkedIn? Why should I post on LinkedIn? What about other platforms? What is so big? Why is there such a hype on LinkedIn? Well, right now, for B2B businesses, this is a platform to be. Okay, this is number one. There is a number two, there is a number three, there is a number four, which means you have to have a content strategy where you distribute your content across multiple platforms. We do that for our clients. We create content specifically for LinkedIn, but we also put it on their YouTube, we put it on the resources pages, we put it on their websites, we also put them on their newsletters, and they can use the content that we create and put them across multiple platforms, whether it be their Instagram account, they can put it on their Twitter, they can put it on TikTok if they want to. Whatever they want to do, they can do that. It's all about understanding where your target audience is, what the market that you're selling to is. Right now is LinkedIn. That could change in a year, in 6 months, in a month. Okay? So by having a well-distributed content strategy, you have the ability to then adapt and say, okay, well, now I need to shift focus from LinkedIn into, say, Instagram or TikTok or whatever platform becomes the number one for your audience. So if you plan and you build your strategy knowing that LinkedIn is number one right now, you focus on that, but you also distribute your content across multiple platforms, then you can make the adjustment in game time, and say, okay, well, now I need to focus on Instagram, and then you shift that. But you are learning throughout the process how to create content for multiple platforms. Content that is, like we say, usable across, and that provides the value across whatever platform you choose to post it on. So I think that's the key part. It's like, it's not why should I do LinkedIn or what about other platforms. It's like, you need to create content that where you can share exactly what it is that you need to share for your audience, and then distribute it accordingly to where your audience is.